I also want to share something that was top of mind, especially for the past 2 weeks. I was looking into how to give feedback, and not only how to give feedback, but how to give proper feedback. What I noticed so far is that I really sucked when it came down to giving feedback. In this case, it means that while I did give feedback to either my teammates, either people who I was collaborating with, even my spouse, even the way how I'm critiquing myself, what I noticed is that the feedback usually was very harsh. Either it was performing really well, either someone who submitted something, or whenever I gave feedback, it was very blunt, like, job well done. And I was reflecting on that for the past 2 to 3 weeks and actively working on how to give proper feedback. Now, why is this important? Is because if you're thinking this way, feedback is one of those things that most of the time people don't know how to approach, because either they are going to give just feedback in sense of job well done, very flattering, but not concise on what should they keep doing, what should they stop doing, and what should they continue doing, which basically what feedback is for, right? And then I was thinking, how can I improve that? And again, looking back to the way how I'm giving now feedback for the past 2-3 weeks, almost a month, any person that I am collaborating with, that means any teammate, even my husband, even to people who are just joining, even for how do I give feedback to myself on what to do, what not to do, and what to keep doing, improved a lot just by applying this simple rule. Whenever I'm giving a feedback, I'm making sure that it's not flattery. I'm defining flattery as something that sounds good but has no meaning behind that. A clear example, even for these videos, I started to give feedback to our video editor, right? So we just hired him. We are 2 months in, and he's just really amazing. We had him as junior, right? So a junior, they're supposed to follow a step by step. And then that is the way how they are going to show that they are really good at whatever they are doing, by following instructions. Now, if I'm looking back the way how I am training him as well, okay, this is what I really liked. This is something that we should be improving, and this is what just keep on doing, or something like, hey, don't do it anymore because that's not helpful. So just wanted to encourage you, if you are in a position to give feedback, and probably you are in a position to give feedback, whoever you are, whatever you're doing in this life, be very careful when it comes down to giving feedback. Do not give flattery, but instead give real feedback. Real feedback means actionable feedback. So the person knows what to do, what not to do, and what to keep continuing doing, because that's so important in helping both yourself and also them achieve the desired goal. All right, I just wanted to share that a bit with you because I didn't know how easy it was to give feedback. I was very highly critical beforehand, and it was very harsh and very rude. And, if I am a high performer, I'm expecting myself to improve. Now, also, if I want to improve, should be able to guide people how to improve. So that's why I was sharing with you the new way, whatever you want that person to keep doing, whatever you want them to stop doing, and whatever are the things that they should be continuing doing.